What is a coral reef? Earth's colorful underwater marvels. Coral reefs are among the most mesmerizing and ecologically significant ecosystems on Earth. Often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, these vibrant underwater marvels are teeming with life and play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. This video explores the intricacies of coral reefs, from their formation to the incredible biodiversity they support and the environmental challenges they face. Coral reefs are formed through the accumulation of calcium carbonate, produced by coral polyps, which are tiny, soft-bodied organisms related to sea anemones and jellyfish. These polyps live in colonies and secrete a hard exoskeleton made of calcium carbonate, forming the stunning structures that make up coral reefs. Over time, as generations of coral polyps grow and die, their skeletons build up and create the intricate framework of the reef. The primary builders of coral reefs are the corals themselves. These organisms form symbiotic relationships with zooxanthellae, photosynthetic algae that provide corals with nutrients and contribute to the vibrant colors of the reefs. Coral reefs harbor an astonishing diversity of marine life. They provide a habitat for a myriad of species, including various fish, invertebrates, sponges, and mollusks. The complex structure of the reef offers hiding places, breeding grounds, and feeding opportunities for countless organisms. Algae, particularly the zooxanthellae living within coral tissues, are crucial for the health of coral reefs. Through photosynthesis, these algae provide corals with oxygen and nutrients, while the corals offer a protected environment for the algae to thrive. Coral reefs come in various forms, including fringing reefs, barrier reefs, and atolls. Fringing reefs are directly attached to the shorelines, barrier reefs are separated by a lagoon from the shore, and atolls are circular reefs surrounding a central lagoon. The physical structure of reefs depends on factors such as water depth and geological conditions. Coral reefs are often referred to as biodiversity hotspots, as they support an extraordinary array of marine species. The complex interconnectedness of different organisms within the reef ecosystem enhances its resilience and adaptability to environmental changes. Many coastal communities rely on coral reefs for fisheries, as the reefs provide essential breeding and feeding grounds for numerous fish species. The health of coral reefs is directly linked to the food security and livelihoods of millions of people worldwide. Coral reefs are major attractions for tourists seeking to explore the vibrant underwater world. The economic value of coral reef-based tourism is significant for many coastal regions, contributing to local economies and raising awareness about the importance of reef conservation. Rising sea temperatures due to climate change pose a severe threat to coral reefs, leading to coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel their symbiotic algae, resulting in a loss of color and increased vulnerability to diseases. Runoff from coastal development, agriculture, and industrial activities introduces pollutants such as sediments, nutrients, and chemicals into reef ecosystems. This can lead to coral diseases, reduced water quality, and overall ecosystem degradation. Unsustainable fishing practices, including overfishing and the use of destructive fishing methods, can deplete fish populations crucial for the balance of the coral reef ecosystem. What exactly is a coral reef, and how is it formed? A coral reef is a marine ecosystem formed by the accumulation of calcium carbonate skeletons secreted by tiny coral polyps. These organisms, living in colonies, create the intricate structures that make up the colorful underwater marvels we know as coral reefs. What is the significance of coral reefs in terms of biodiversity? Coral reefs are biodiversity hotspots, supporting an astonishing variety of marine life. They provide habitat for numerous species, including fish, invertebrates, sponges, and mollusks, making them crucial ecosystems for the overall health of the oceans. How do corals and algae work together in a symbiotic relationship within coral reefs? Corals and algae have a mutualistic relationship, where the corals provide a protected environment for algae called zooxanthellae. In return, the algae engage in photosynthesis, producing oxygen and nutrients that benefit the corals. This symbiosis is essential for the health and vibrant colors of the coral reef. What are the different types of coral reefs, and how do they vary in structure? Coral reefs come in various forms, including fringing reefs, barrier reefs, and atolls. Fringing reefs are directly attached to shorelines, barrier reefs are separated by a lagoon, and atolls are circular reefs surrounding a central lagoon. The structure of the reef depends on factors such as water depth and geological conditions. What are the main threats to coral reefs, and how can they be addressed? Coral reefs face challenges such as climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Rising sea temperatures lead to coral bleaching, while runoff from coastal development introduces pollutants. Unsustainable fishing practices can also deplete fish populations. Conservation efforts involve addressing these threats through sustainable practices, marine protected areas, and global initiatives to combat climate change. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.